So I've come to one of my crayfish spots and I've already set the trap because I didn't want to hang my phone over the edge, but it is in there. You can see the red hook, and we're going to see what we can catch. There's a pull trap, got bacon as the bait. Let's see what we can get. He's a big one. Look at the size of him. He is huge. Wow. Oh, he's getting me. Oh, he is massive. Holy moly, they're the invasive ones. Just look at him. There's one crayfish down. He was huge. So the crayfish right there. I'm gonna try and catch it on the pull up. It's going for it. There he is. Come on. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Should have pulled up then. Where's he going around? Oh, I've done it. It's gone. So the traps have been in for about 2 hours. 2 hours, yeah. There's more in there. The one escaped. This one's still in there. He went further down. And then this next trap I haven't used for crayfish yet, so we're going to see how many we get. Two crayfish and a small perch. Let's get the perch out. Small perch. He's pretty cool. I didn't know he was in here. And then for the crayfish, we've got two different types here. We've got the red, which is invasive. We've got the red one. We've got this one. Can you see the colour difference? One's a lot darker, the other one was a lot redder. Set these 3 further up and that's what we got. Done. They're raring to go. Put that back down. Alright. So one got away and he went further down. So there's definitely more still in there. There's loads in there. I'm speaking to some people and they say this side way is just absolutely covered in. Well, success for this. For the first time with crayfish, used bacon. Amongst all this shit. Okay, just caught my first pike. That is insane. Of course I'm on a bunch of worms. Oh my god, that's cool. Let's get them in the bucket. Whoa, shit. I don't want them to bite me. Oh my god, I actually caught a pike. No way. No way. Okay. So I need to get this out so I can sort them out. So here's the first ever pike I've caught. There's stripes on him. Got teeth, the eyes. That's pretty cool. Let's get him back in. And off he goes. So there's my float. There's a pike. Probably the same one I caught yesterday. Same spot. I did have my tripod on me, so I can't really get the angles of me catching the fish. So I've been catching roach, and then this perch hit my maggots as I was bringing it across the surface. So that's pretty cool. It's cool. It's going back in. So I've just got to this bit where I know trout sit swimming up against this current here. This is where me and Jay caught that trout I showed in the last video. Just gonna see if I can catch anything. Well, that's the best I can do, I think.
Hey mate. Alright. Plenty in there, isn't there?
Oh yeah, look at this trout.
Oh.
Holy.
I've had them out all the week there.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Checking down this side and all.
Look at this. Get it on camera.
There's some chubbing and all.
I know, yeah, I caught one last week. Well, that is the biggest trout I have had out of this stream. Look at that. That is insane. He's getting back in quick. Wow. That's another trout, baby. That is another trout. Oh, right on the lip. Look at that. That's 2 trout. Different trout, because this one's a different size. Wow. Out of here. That's insane. I actually got it. I'm being eaten alive, so I'm packing up.